Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what is Shopify, how you can use, how is it work. So if you want to start a dropshipping or your own business in Shopify, this video will be perfect for you. And then I'm gonna tell you everything. And let me show you what I will discuss in this video. So first of all, I'm gonna discuss about Shopify, how is it work, and your store setup, and then your planning and pricing, as well as your product management, and then final thought. Okay. And then also I have set up this Shopify dashboard, and then each thing I will explain step by step. So just all you have to do, just you need to watch the full video. By the end of the day, you will be able to take your perfect decision. And then also I will tell you how you can take it free trial on Shopify, and then how you can sign up, and then how you can actually launch your store. So if you are not watching this video, and then you will be continuously like confused, and then you will watch a lot of video over and over again. By the end of the day, you're not gonna be able to take any decision. So all you have to do, just you need to watch the full video, and then by the end of the day, you will be able to take a decision. So without further ado, let's know what about the Shopify. Okay, so let me go on the very top. So about Shopify is all-in-one e-commerce platform that's allow anyone to create online store without needing coding skill and technical knowledge. So if I go to the Shopify, as you can see, if you click on the online store, and here you will be able to customize your online store without any coding, because as you can see, if I click on the customization, it will take to my customization places, and then you don't need any code to customize your store. Okay, let's move into the point. So and then it's give you everything you to sell a product online, in person, and even cross social media platform. So how is it work basically? So if I go to the Shopify, and then I can also integrate my social media. So there I have a one apps. I will create another video how you can integrate in social media. Let's move into the sheet. So now let's discuss the how is it work. So first of all, you have to sign up on Shopify. So if you, first of all, you have to go to the shopify.com, like shopify.com. So you have to search on the shopify.com, and then as you can see, you have to click the start free trial, and then after that you will be able to log in, and then you have to give $1, and then if you pay the $1, and then it will give you 3 months for free. And right now Shopify planning to give 6 months free. So Shopify is a great platform for you. So if you are confused to moving WordPress to Shopify, I 100% recommend. As you can see, 1 month for 6 months, $1 for 6 months. This is incredible offer in Shopify. Okay, so guys, I hope you completely understand. Now let's move into the sheet, and then explain step by step. And choose the store name and pick theme. So what I mean to by this, choose a store name. So you can choose the store name. How? So as you can see, my store name is like random name. So if I want to change my store name, so here as you can see, if I go to the settings, under the details, general details, you can change the store name and all this stuff. You can put your personal number, store phone, whatever it is. Okay, so now let's move to the sheet. So and then choose a product and pick a theme. So how you can pick a theme on Shopify? So to pick a theme, first of all, you have to go to the online store, and after that as you can see, I'm under the online store, and then after that you can see here I have a lot of theme library. So as you can see, theme library, I have added a lot of theme, paid and free theme. And then if you want to actually understand exactly how to create a store, if you want to understand, you have to go to myagency.com. There I will provide everything step by step. If you visit my website, and then you will be able to see all of the thing. Here is my client review, testimonial, and my client work, how Shopify work, and then our Shopify service, and then 8 step to launch your store, everything available. So all you have to do, just you need to book a call, and then you can directly message me on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, all the options we have put it here. So that depend totally you. Okay, so let's move to the point. So now as you can see, here's the Shopify theme store. You can click the visit theme store, and from here guys, you can take unlimited free and paid theme. And under the free theme, 24 free theme, and then 873 paid theme. So you can filter by free and paid theme, and then also you can filter like art, auto, bag, beauty, clothes, electronics, all this stuff. Okay, so that's the main thing about the Shopify theme, and then also Shopify apps. Okay, so now let's move to the main point. So and then you can add product, set a price, and upload an image. So let me show you how you can do that on Shopify. So to do that, first of all, you have to go to the Shopify, and then after that, as you can see, the product, and then under the product you can click the add product. And then from here, as you can see, you can add the product title, product description, product media, I mean image, and product pricing, inventory, and then also shipping. Brilliant. I think there nothing wrong. So if you want to start e-commerce business, this is the perfect place for you, because Shopify only made for e-commerce. Now let's move into the again on the sheet. So as you can see that you can connect the payment method like Shopify payment and PayPal and Stripe. Let me tell you what I mean by this. So if you go to the settings, and then after that, as you can see, here's the payment option. As you can see here, the payment. So you can see edit payment provider, and then you can choose the Shopify payment provider, and then to connect to payment provider you have to follow the next step. Okay, so now let's move into the again payment, and then also you can connect the PayPal, Stripe, all this stuff. Let me show you how payment of providers. Choose the payment provider, and from here actually, as you can see, you can connect all the payment provider as you want. That's about the Shopify payment. Okay, so now let's move to the point. So, and then also you can launch your store and visit, anyone can visit by. So whenever suppose you go to the Shopify online store, and after that if anyone come to, sorry, here's under the apps. So whenever you come to the online store, suppose you are complete your customization. So let's go to the customization first, and then after that, as you can see, whenever you save it, and then whenever you come to your store, like for example you design this store. Okay, so this is your store. So as you can see, publish option, and from here you can publish your store. It's pretty simple and very easy. Okay, so now let's move to the main point. So here the setup your store. You can start free trial. I already discussed about that. You can pick a theme. How you can pick a theme I already showed here, and then add a product. Okay, so you can add a product, and then you can do, I mean, everything you can do. Okay, so you can configure shipping and taxes payment method. So let me show you how you can add the shipping method. So on the Shopify, adding shipping method is very easy. As you can see, here's the shipping option. So as you can see where it is, as you can see, shipping and delivery. So you can actually connect shipping and delivery from here. Okay, so I think for the e-commerce, everything available on Shopify. Under the pricing, here's the basic price in like $33. Like after the 6 month, the pricing plan will be different. So Shopify basic plan will be the $39 per month. Shopify plan is, which will be $155, and then advanced plan is $399. Okay, so all you have to do, just you need to go to the shop to get the pricing. Shopify pricing. You can search online, and then you can explore the Shopify pricing, guys. It's pretty simple and very easy. So here it's not showing. So as you can see, Shopify pricing actually showing here. So you can test the Shopify pricing. All the pricing actually available here. So you can actually take advantage by exploring by yourself. Okay. Now let's move into the product management. Adding a product product managing is super simple. Uploading product details, title, description. I already showing you how we can do that, and set up the variant, image, size, and inventory. It's pretty simple. Like for example, you have to go to the product. I already show you how you can add the variant, product, price. Like click on the add product, and after that, as you can see that here's the variant option. If you want to add variant, you have to click on over here, and then as you can see, here's the size option. Like for example, COLO color, and then red, BLACK black. This way exactly you can add the variant. Okay, so now let's move into the next step, which is this one. Okay, so organize the with collection and easy navigation. So let me show you how you can create the collection and easy navigation. So let's discard it. So to under the product, you can see collection option, and from here, guys, you have to create the add collection, and after that you have to give the collection name. Like for example, subscribe, SUBCRI, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. So from here actually you can add the product under the collection. So as you can see, browse option, you can actually add any type of product, like for example this one, and then after that you can click the add. So it will be adding to our collection. Okay, and then after that, whenever you will save it, then it will show into your store. Okay, so that's the main thing. Now let's move to the main point, and now let's discuss about the expensive apps ecosystem. Shopify has over 8,000 apps and in marketplace. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So if you go to the apps, and then if you go to the and apps and sales channel, and from here under the settings, as you can see, the Shopify app store, if you click on over here, and then as you can see, there are a lot of tons of the apps, like for example Facebook and Instagram, YouTube and Google, Jasmine review apps, CloudView email marketing apps, Shopify section, unlimited section you can add, and then also email marketing, SMS tools, looks for reviews, and then also all the subscription, buy now button, all this stuff actually available. You can see, as you can see, there are a lot of app. So if you want to learn more, you can explore by yourself. Okay, so guys, let's move into the main point. And now as you can see, competitor and WooCommerce. WooCommerce is Shopify biggest competitor. WooCommerce is Shopify biggest competitor, which means Shopify have one competitor, which is eCommerce. WooCommerce. It's plugin, WordPress plugin that turn your website into store. Pros, free trials, open source, and full customization. Okay, guys, here's the like competitor and WooCommerce explanation here. I think we wanted to discuss. So final touch, which is like Shopify is only one of the best platform in 2025 for beginners and growing business. It's easy to use and powerful enough scale and trusted by millions of entrepreneurs worldwide. If you want to sell without headaches of coding on managing service, and Shopify is a fantastic choice. So guys, you don't have any question about the Shopify. So if you have any more question, I already told you that you need to visit my agency, and then this is my agency. You can directly live chat with me, and then also you can directly message me on WhatsApp, and then I will discuss with you everything about that. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. In future, what type of content you are looking for, let me know. And again, I will tell you that if you have any question, just let me know. Thank you.